from A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. A is for apple, crunchy and red. B is for banana, put it in your bread. C is for cherry, tiny and sweet. D is for date, a chewy little treat. E is for elderberry, hanging on the vine. F is for fig, tasting so fine. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for honeydew, the freshest ever seen. I is for ice apple, cool and clear. J is for jackfruit, giant is here. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown. L is for lemon, the sour king of town. M is for mango, sweet and gold. N is for nectarine, juicy and bold. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for papaya, a healthy delight. Q is for quince, yellow and rare. R is for raspberry, handle with care. S is for strawberry, red and small. T is for tangerine, we love them all. U is for oogly fruit, don't mind the name. V is for velvet apple, smooth in the game. W is for watermelon, big and green. X is for zigua, melon rarely seen. Y is for yellow pear, hanging on the tree. Z is for zucchini, for you and